Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and we have Spread Eagle here on the Cadillac today. So Spread Eagle is a Cadillac exercise. It's part of a traditional ending, which is a series of exercises that were put together. What I know, just side note from my teacher, is that was never like a traditional ending with Joseph Pilates, but it was put together when training programs were put together, and it's a really fun way to power out if you have access to a Cadillac. But Spread Eagle is something you can do even if you only have a tower. I'm on a Contrology Cadillac. If you want a special link to save 5%, hit me up. It's really, really fun. I'll tell you why. This little Spread Eagle board actually has a magnet, so it's not going to fall, which is really helpful as I get into position. So what you want to do with your Spread Eagle is grab as low as you can with straight arms, so definitely below the hooks, and then you put the balls of your feet on your Spread Eagle board here, and then you find a swan. So we're actually reaching down through our legs from our fast connection. You lift your heart up and you do a nice big upper back bend. I'm not hanging off my arms. This is a leg exercise. Then your head goes in, you round your spine back, and you find an elephant. So not hanging off your shoulders, arms are connected to your back, reach through your legs and get a big stretch. So even think horseback on the reformer. And then open the chest, big swan, even like breaststroke, right? Head in, reach. If you're trying to make your snake more possible on your reformer, this is a great way to practice that articulation. And as long as you keep this in your legs, you're gonna get a lot out of it. Start to do it from your arms. One, your grip strength's gonna go, your elbows are gonna lock, you're gonna be hanging off your shoulders. It's not gonna feel as good in the spine. So I highly recommend use those legs. If you have questions about this, let me know in the comments below. Thank you also for sharing these videos with your friends. It's really important to me that we get this message out there and we help more people have access to Cadillac exercises. Also, on onlinepilatesclasses.com, OPC, onlinepilatesclasses.com, we have Cadillac workouts now every single month. They're 50 minutes. They go along with a theme on our window chair reformer workouts, and you can get access to those either by buying them a la carte or by joining as a member. So check those out on onlinepilatesclasses.com, and thank you so much for subscribing. It really does mean a lot to us. When we have subscribers, it allows us to do so much more with these videos. And so if you've been a subscriber for the last 5 years, you've seen how much they've been able to grow and expand, and that's because of you all. So thank you, and I'll see you next time.